In this video, we will simplify the expression 2022 minus 1 over 2022, divided by the fraction 2021 over 2022, and then multiplied by 1 over 2023. Let R be this expression. We'll keep every step on screen so you can follow the logic. First, we use the identity. X minus 1 over x equals x squared minus 1 over x. Here, x equals 2022. We apply the rule to the highlighted part, replacing that difference. We obtain R equals 2022 squared minus 1 over 2022, divided by the fraction 2021 over 2022, and then multiplied by 1 over 2023. Next, when we divide by a fraction, we multiply by its reciprocal. We focus on the denominator fraction and flip it. So R becomes 2022 squared minus 1 over 2022 times 2022 over 2021 times 1 over 2023. Notice there is a common factor of 2022. 1 in the denominator of the first fraction, and 1 in the numerator of the second fraction. These cancel. After cancellation, we have R equals 2022 squared minus 1 over 2021 times 1 over 2023. Now factor the difference of squares. X squared minus 1 equals x minus 1 times x plus 1, with x equal to 2022. That becomes 2021 times 2023 over 2021 times 1 over 2023. Finally, cancel the common factors 2021 and 2023. We are left with the product of identical numbers in the numerator and denominator, which equals 1. Therefore, the value of the original expression is exactly 1.